Do you actually think there is money in food business? Or is it just hype? A lot of people always wonder if selling food can truly be profitable. In this video, I'll show you the truth. Food is one of the few businesses that never dies. Why, you may ask? Because people eat every single day. Whether it's snacks like samosas and puff puff, cookies, home cooked meals, or cakes for celebrations, the demand is always there. I actually know people, countless, who started with just kitchen stove, just a pot and a dream, and today they supply events. So yes, there is money in food business, but only if you do it right. The big question is, how do you get it right? I'm going to take you through 6 different steps on how to make money from this food business. Step 1, choosing the right products. One of the biggest mistakes in food business is trying to sell what you like instead of what your customers want. Not every food will bring you profit though. You need to choose products that are high in demand. What do people around you eat every day? In Nigeria, for example, snacks like samosa, chin chin, fish pie, fish roll, puff puff, and popcorn. They actually sell out fast and they are always in demand, either for birthdays or for many celebrations. Please note, the food you choose is the foundation of your business. Step 2, start small and test your market. A lot of people delay starting a food business because they think they need a big restaurant or a very fancy shop. That is actually not true. The smartest way is to start small and test the market before investing heavily in it. Begin from your kitchen. Use what you already have at home. Everybody have a frying pan, a pot, and a gas cooker. Just start from where you are. Instead of making 100 donuts, why not make 3? Small batches reduces waste. If sales are low, they also give you room for improvement. Your first customers can be your family, neighbors, friends, and colleagues. They are easier to convince and they always give an honest feedback. So you can just ask them, what can I do to improve the taste of this? Do you think this cookies is okay? So let's move on to the next step, which is the most important step of all, knowing your pricing. Many beginners fail because they don't know how to calculate properly. Don't just copy someone's price. Add up all the costs, the ingredients you are using, the oil, the gas, the packaging, and also your time. Then you add your profit margin. Because this is one of the biggest mistakes in the food business. If you underprice, you'll be busy but broke. If you overprice, the customers will run. So what do? The secret is actually knowing how to calculate your costs and adding a fair profit margin. You also have to consider what people around you can afford. If your area is very price sensitive, reduce the size of the products. And another important tip you should note, don't guess, always write it down. Keep a small notebook to record how much you have spent, how much you earned. This will actually give you an overview of your business. Over time, you will know exactly which items give you the best profit and also where you should reduce costs. So remember, you are running a business, not a charity organization. We still together. Let's move on to step 4, packaging and presentation. In today's food business, packaging is everything. People don't just eat with their mouths, they eat with their eyes first. Even if your food tastes amazing, poor packaging can turn customers away. You don't have to start with expensive branded boxes. Even transparent nylon, foil paper look professional if sealed neatly. Keep your packaging clean and simple. Use simple but attractive packaging. Add a personal touch to it. A simple sticker with your business name, phone number, or even a thank you note. This make your customers to feel valued and appreciated and will come back for more. Package in portions that are easy to carry, store, or reheat. Always present your work the same way. If there are 3 milky donuts in this foil plate, when a customer orders, it should be 3. This packaging is so. Now let's talk about the 5th step, which is marketing. Marketing is what takes your food from your kitchen to the whole wide world. So you can make use of social media such as TikTok, Instagram, WhatsApp. WhatsApp has actually made it very easy for you because there's something called WhatsApp business. This WhatsApp business, you can create a business profile, create automated greetings, create fast reply, create a product showcase which is known as a catalog, and also send broadcasts and group messages. How cool is that? So always make use of your social media for fast growth. So for the last but not the least step, which is growth strategy, this is actually simple. Partner with a delivery service. In Nigeria, we have something called Chodek, and having a good delivery service would actually increase your customer convenience. It will help you serve customers beyond your physical location, and it will expand your market reach. And pitch to brand, pitch to event planners. Say, I do this and this and this. Can I please supply to your events? Use quality ingredients so that your taste will be consistent and you will have returning customers. Be hygienic when dealing with food products. Make sure you wash your hand and also cover your hair. We don't want to give the customers food poisoning. Treat every customers well. Referrals are actually free advertising. The big question now is there money in food business? Absolutely yes. But only if you focus on quality, pricing, and marketing. Start small and your kitchen can actually turn into a money making machine. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.